Ants are among the most fascinating creatures on Earth due to their complex social structures and impressive physical adaptations that allow them to thrive in various environments. The way their bodies function is integral to their survival and efficiency. Understanding how each part of an ant's body works reveals a remarkable synergy between biology and behavior. Ants are members of the insect order Hymenoptera, and like all insects, their bodies are divided into three main sections: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. Each section plays a unique role in the ant's life, enabling it to perform an array of tasks such as foraging, defending the colony, and communicating with other ants. Starting with the head, it is a powerhouse of sensory input and processing capabilities. The ant's head is equipped with large, compound eyes that consist of numerous small lenses called omatidia. These eyes allow ants to detect movement and light, although their vision is not as sharp as that of humans. Ants rely more heavily on their sense of smell, which is facilitated by their antennae. These antennae are highly sensitive and play a crucial role in navigating their environment, identifying food sources, and communicating with other ants. Ants use their antennae to detect chemical signals called pheromones, which they use to leave trails that guide other ants to food or alert them to danger. This form of chemical communication is vital to the functioning of ant colonies, allowing them to coordinate complex tasks. In addition to their antennae, ants possess strong mandibles, or jaws, which are essential tools for survival. These mandibles are versatile. They can be used for cutting, carrying, fighting, and even digging. The mandibles are powered by strong muscles within the ant's head, giving them the strength to cut through tough materials like wood or the exoskeletons of other insects. Some species of ants use their mandibles to capture prey or defend the colony from intruders. The mandibles are also used for grooming, a crucial behavior that helps ants keep their bodies and the bodies of other ants in the colony clean, preventing the spread of diseases. Behind the head lies the thorax, which serves as the center of locomotion. The thorax is where all 6 of the ant's legs are attached, and each leg has several joints, making them highly flexible and allowing the ant to move with great precision. The legs are equipped with claws at the ends, which provide the ant with a firm grip on surfaces as it walks or climbs. This is especially important for species that live in complex environments, such as forest floors or underground tunnels, where stability and dexterity are necessary for survival. The muscles in the thorax are incredibly strong relative to the ant's size, enabling them to lift objects many times their own weight. This strength is particularly evident when ants work together to transport food or building materials back to the nest. The thorax also contains the wing muscles in winged ants, such as queens and males, which use these muscles to fly during the reproductive season. The abdomen, or gaster, is the third major body segment, and it plays a critical role in the digestive, respiratory, and reproductive functions of the ant. The ant's digestive system begins in the mouth and extends through the thorax into the abdomen, where food is processed. Ants have 2 stomachs, one for their own digestion and one for storing liquid food that can be shared with other members of the colony. This process of sharing food, called trophallaxis, is a key aspect of ant social behavior, allowing them to distribute nutrients throughout the colony. The abdomen also houses the respiratory system, which consists of tiny tubes called tracheae. These tubes carry oxygen directly to the cells, bypassing the need for lungs. Air enters the ant's body through small openings on the sides of the abdomen called spiracles, which can be opened or closed to regulate the flow of oxygen and prevent water loss. Ants also have a highly efficient circulatory system. Unlike humans, ants do not have veins or arteries. Instead, they have an open circulatory system in which a fluid called hemolymph flows freely through their body cavity. The heart of the ant, which is located in the abdomen, pumps the hemolymph throughout the body, delivering nutrients and removing waste products. Hemolymph also plays a role in regulating the ant's body temperature and supporting immune functions. Although ants are small, their circulatory system is well adapted to meet the demands of their active lifestyle, allowing them to maintain high levels of energy and endurance. Ants also rely on a sophisticated nervous system to coordinate their movements and behaviors. The ant's brain is located in the head and controls basic functions such as movement, feeding, and communication. However, much of the ant's nervous system is decentralized, with ganglia located in the thorax and abdomen that control the legs, wings, and other body parts. This decentralized system allows ants to react quickly to changes in their environment and perform complex tasks with minimal input from the brain. For example, an ant can continue walking or climbing even if part of its body is damaged, thanks to the independent control of its legs by the thoracic ganglia. This redundancy in the nervous system is one of the reasons why ants are so resilient and adaptable. The functioning of an ant's body is closely tied to its role within the colony. In most ant colonies, there is a clear division of labor, with different ants performing specific tasks based on their age, size, and caste. Worker ants, for example, are responsible for foraging, caring for the young, and maintaining the nest, while soldier ants protect the colony from invaders. This specialization of roles allows the colony to operate efficiently, with each ant contributing to the overall success of the group. The ability of ants to work together in such a coordinated and organized manner is one of the reasons why they have been so successful as a species. The body of an ant is a marvel of evolutionary adaptation, designed to perform a wide range of functions that are essential to the survival of both the individual and the colony. From the sensory capabilities of their antennae to the strength of their mandibles and the efficiency of their circulatory and respiratory systems, every part of the ant's body is fine-tuned to support their complex social behavior and their ability to thrive in diverse environments. The intricate design of their exoskeleton, muscles, and nervous system allows ants to perform feats of strength, endurance, and cooperation that are unparalleled in the insect world. Through the division of labor and their ability to communicate and work together, ants have created some of the most successful and enduring societies on Earth, making them one of the most fascinating and studied creatures in the natural world.